friends, welcome back. Today we are going to be making this cute little Halloween ghost. This is a very easy beginner tutorial that requires no sewing and makes a really cute gift or Halloween decoration. For this project we will be using white yarn, and you can use any type of yarn that you would like. So if you would like a more fluffy, larger look, you can use the Bernat baby blanket yarn. But for the purposes of this tutorial, I will be using medium worsted weight yarn, and this is Craft Smart. And with this, I will be using a 4mm crochet hook. So just make sure that your hook size corresponds with the size of yarn that you'll be using for this pattern. For this project, you will also need black felt for the face details, as well as a fabric glue. I use Fabri-Tac, and some fiberfill stuffing. And you will also need something to cut with and a stitch marker if you would like. If you like what you see here today, please consider liking and subscribing. And if you would like to learn how to crochet amigurumi in more detail if you're a beginner, I have a full course where you can learn how to crochet from the very beginning, linked in the description below. So let's get started. To start your little ghost, you are going to grab your crochet hook and the end of your white yarn. You are going to make a slip knot and slip that right on. Now you can either do the magic ring or you can do the chain 2 method. I will be doing the chain 2 method for my beginners. So you're going to chain 1, 2, and in that second chain from the hook, you are going to single crochet 6. Now you can pull that tight, and you are going to increase the whole way around, so you're going to increase 6 times, and an increase is single crocheting twice into the same stitch. So I like to pull that tight, and this is usually where I like to insert my stitch marker so that I don't lose my place. So for this next round, we are going to single crochet 1, increase 1, 6 times, so that'll be the whole way around. For this next round, you are going to single crochet 2, increase 1, 6 times, so that is the whole way around. And for this next round, you are going to single crochet 3, increase 1, 6 times. Now we are going to single crochet 4, increase 1, 6 times. And now this will be our last increasing row. We are going to single crochet 5, increase 1, 6 times. Now you are going to single crochet around for 10 rows. So you're going to single crochet around 10 times, and I'll meet you back here after you do that. Now that you have finished your 10th row of single crochets, we are now going to create the ruffled part on the bottom here. So for this next row, we are going to crochet in the front loops only, and that is because you are going to use the back loops in the next row to close up your work. So for this sequence, we are going to repeat it for a total of 6 times, and I'll show you exactly what we're doing. So you are going to do a single crochet, a half double crochet, and if you need some help with the double crochet and half double crochet, I will link a tutorial in the description below. Then you are going to do a double crochet, another double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and then a slip stitch. So that sequence goes single crochet, half double crochet, 2 double crochets, half double crochet, single crochet, and then you'll do a slip stitch in between each of those. So you're going to do that sequence for a total of 6 times. So 5 more times. I will do it one more time together. So single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet, another double crochet, a half double crochet, a single crochet, and a slip stitch. So go ahead and repeat that sequence 4 more times. Now that you have finished that row, your ghost should look like this. And what you can do next is go ahead and pull that loop out, and you're going to insert your hook into this hole right here, and you're going to pull that loop through there so that you are starting to crochet in the back here. So go ahead and fold down those ruffles so that that single row right there that you left from just doing the front loops only in the last row is showing, and it's a little bit easier to crochet into. And what we are going to do for this next row is single crochet 5, decrease 1 6 times, so that'll be the whole way around. So you can put your stitch marker back here so that we know where we're crocheting back to in case you lose count. So go ahead and insert your hook into that first stitch back here and do your single crochet, and then that will bring your yarn back into these back loops. Go ahead and single crochet 4 more times. And then decrease. So go ahead and repeat that sequence, single crochet 5, decrease 1, until you get back to your stitch marker. For this next row, you are going to single crochet 4, decrease 1 the whole way around, so that's a total of 6 times. For this next row, you are going to single crochet 3, decrease 1 for a total of 6 times, which is the whole way around. Now you're going to take your fiber fill stuffing and you are going to stuff your ghost. So I like to stuff it pretty tight, but it's all up to your preference. After you stuff your ghost, we are going to continue with our decreasing rounds. So you're going to single crochet 2, decrease 1 the whole way around. Now you are going to single crochet 1, decrease 1, 6 times. Now you are going to decrease 6 times. Now you are going to pull a little bit of a tail and cut that. You can remove your stitch marker. And we are going to go on the front loops of the next 6 stitches and pull that tail through so that we can pull this closed. So go ahead and pull that closed, pull it very tight. And then I like to insert my hook back into my work and tie a knot just to make sure that that stays closed. Then you just want to tuck your tail into the bottom here, or you can snip it off. But this is our body of our ghost, and now we're just going to add the details and then we'll be done. With the details, this is where you can get really creative and do anything that you would like. For this tutorial, I'll just be doing simple closed eyes and a happy mouth. You're going to grab your black felt and some scissors, and you are just going to cut out your face pieces just like this. So obviously you'll have to size it based on the size of your ghost, but these are the 3 pieces that you will cut, and then we will be using fabric glue to glue these on. You can also use a felting needle to needle felt these pieces on, but since they're so small, since I did a small ghost, I'm just going to glue these on. I used my fabric glue to glue on the pieces, and here is my finished ghost. If you like what you see here today, please like and subscribe, comment down below what you would like to see next, and tag me in your creations on social media if you make them. See ya!